I go by the name Heretics the Heathen. Just dropped a mixtape called Writer's Block. $5. Holler at me if you like what you hear after we done with this set. And shout outs to who just went out right before me. They was dope. I can't remember the name. Who was that? Simplicity? Simplistics. And you rap a lot better than I did when I was 17. Alright? So I'll be doing my shit in the studio, but what I really do is I rock shows, because that's how hip-hop is, it's live music. This track right here is about rocking some shows, like this right here. So if you want to rock with me, it's all good, you can put your hands up sitting down. Don't hate, I feel like this, y'all. Now when I get up on the stage, it's really something special. I grab that microphone like I ain't ever gonna let go. By the time I finish up, you feeling for the next show. Another date, another time, you can check my schedule. Up and down I-5, sipping like some corn chips. Talent is acquired, yeah, it's something that you're born with. Heretics a beast when it comes to performance. Blowing up when I hit the stage, cause I've been lying dormant. That Mount St. Helens flow, I'm in this bitch like hello blow. The ladies, they been feeling me, but it's time I let the fellas know. Heretics the king of this, yeah, I've been bringing it. Got that karaoke spit, now everybody's singing it like front, back, front to front, back, front, back, side to side, I rock 'em. Front, back, front to front, back, front, back, side to side. Now put your hands up, put your hands up. The whole 360, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. From the front, back, side to side. Well, at the age of 15, I did my first live show. I thought to myself, well, weed is cool, but this a better high, though. Now I bring that fire like I'm paid to be a pyro. The light is shining on me like I'm dipping from the 5-0. You can feel the bass knock, I'ma make the place rock. Gotta get it while the getting's good, I like my steak hot. Haters, I just shake out, gotta make rock. You rockin' for the love of it, and I just got that paid spot. Homie, better spit though, if you wanna get dope. From the 206 to the 253, back to the 36. So you don't know what it is though, but I guarantee your chick know. Now they rockin' everywhere like Dr. Dre 6'4". Front, back, front to front, back, front, back, side to side, I rock 'em. Front, back, front to front, back, front, back, side to side. Now put your hands up, put your hands up. All the fucking over, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. From the front, back, side to side. My flow is like amphetamines, yours is like a sedative. You put the crowd to sleep because you suffer from patheticness. No one wanna hear that rah-rah, same old rhetoric. So if you gonna come it up, best to come correct with it. At my current estimate, I've done about 100 shows. But keep on going like I'm going, it's guaranteed I'm gonna blow. Smoking on a blunt of drum, coming with the turn of flow. My city, it be shining, but it's barely ever sunny though. I don't wear them funny clothes, I ain't with that trendy shit, but that don't mean that when I spit that what I spit ain't venomous. Flow until the end of this, don't care what the attendance is. Heretic is in your hood, rocking every tenement. It's real hip-hop, and I'm here to bring it back. I don't need a live band or an acapella track, just 2 turntables and a microphone. Cause you know what be happening when I get up in the zone. I rock 'em front, back, front to front, back, front, back, side to side. I rock 'em front, back, front to front, back, front, back, side to side. Now put your hands up, put your hands up. The whole 360, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. From the front, back, side to side. Make some noise.